Poppy. Today let's find out 27 different words which start with the letter N. This is how the alphabet N looks like in uppercase. And now let's have a quick look at the word list for the day. N for nightingale. Nightingale. N for numbat. Numbat. N for nutria. Nutria. N for Nile crocodile. Nile crocodile. N for narwhal. Narwhal. N for narcissus. Narcissus. N for nest. Nest. N for nut. Nut. N for noodles. Noodles. N for nachos. Nachos. N for napkin. Napkin. N for notebook. Notebook. N for nib. Nib. N for newspaper. Newspaper. N for necklace. Necklace. N for necktie. Necktie. N for nail polish. Nail polish. N for ninja. Ninja. N for nail. Nail. N for needle. Needle. N for net. Net. N for neuron. Neuron. N for north. North. N for night. Night. N for neon light. Neon light. N for numbers. Numbers. And lastly, N for the planet Neptune. Neptune. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know so many different words which start with the letter N. For more fun videos like this, be sure to check out other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.